Now let's take a look at step 2 of the setup process. To start, let's go to the user homepage, select Journal Manager, and Policies. And on this page you'll see a variety of fields to fill in, starting with focus and scope of the journal. We can just paste some information in here. Paste in some text for review policy. And some more text for the review guidelines. We're just going to add some simple text into these text boxes for this demonstration, but you would be consulting with your broader journal committee in order to get exactly the right wording for your publication. Let's stick with the default standard review process. The default review options here are all fine, but you could change them at a later point if you wished. You might want to mark the blind review checkbox, as this will put in links describing how to ensure a blind review in the appropriate places throughout OJS. The privacy statement is pre-populated with some text, but you could modify that here if you wished. You might want to tick off the editor decision checkbox. This would allow for all of the authors to be notified of an editorial decision, rather than just. You can use step 2.5 to add an additional item to the About the Journal page, such as advertising policy. If your journal is participating in a LOCKSS network, you could check the box here to enable LOCKSS support. And finally, you could add one or more databases to the potential reviewer database section. This would provide a database link directly in OJS for editors to search for potential reviewers. If you were an education journal, you might choose ERIC. And when that's finished, you can hit the Save and Continue button. And that's it. Step 2 is now completed, and you can either move on to the next step or take a break.